Hey, it's Jim Pond with Matica, here with our pilot self-service kiosk. So we're gonna try this kiosk with to print my card. So just opened up an account. They sent me a one-time password, and so I'm gonna come up to the kiosk and enter my code. All right. So it started printing. The kiosk will eventually have the ability to add some additional marketing materials to the screen, either still, video. Obviously, the customer can enter their PIN when they open up the account at the PIN with the PIN entry device. If the credit union offers multiple images, they'll appear on the screen and during that process so that you can select the image. In this case, we're just printing a standard basic debit card tied to my account, and so once this will finish the process, the card will come out and should be able to use it. All right, I got my card, dual interface card. I'm going to go use it.